Okay, so we got Adam here. Cosmos, haven't looked at this in a few days, so let's figure out what we're working with. Price still way below this moving average, so we're looking for shorts. We can delete this area for now because we don't really need it. It's really far away. So we had this line here now. You can see price broke it, so that's good. These candles, I mean, it is the weekend, so they're a little bit more choppy. This was our short entry. I mean, it looks pretty perfect to me. Price broke this area, retested. This candle pulled down further than this one. Well, it's smaller, so you can see this wick is actually even a tiny bit below this one. So yeah, that was a perfect entry. Break and retest, just classic, you know, structure. Lower highs, lower lows. Price is way below the moving average. You can see it would have retested this 1 hour as well, and then boom, straight down. So that is, Adam is a good short. However, it's in this zone now, so we'll see if it breaks this area. We can actually tighten this up a little bit. You can see price originally was getting stopped out right here, was getting rejected, right about 846 kind of thing. Now it's pushing lower and lower, so it's still got this zone here, but you can see there's not much left of it. So it is pushing through this zone. This is still our target, $8 for the month here. I think it can do it. It just needs some more liquidity in the market. Obviously, it's really slow. It's a weekend, but yeah, this zone it functioned really well. And now we're looking for. We'll see if there's another area that we could enter something on, maybe something like this. You can see, but yeah, I mean it's not that pretty because again, these candles are really iffy because it's the weekend, so they're extra choppy. So as far as like an entry, we don't really have much. If you didn't get in up here, then there's probably not much for you there. The only thing I would suggest is maybe if price came into this area at all again, then you might be okay. You could look for an entry anywhere in this zone here. Anything above 854 would probably be good, and then just target these areas. I wouldn't target lower than this because this wick is massive and we just know this is a huge area. Plus you have an $8, you have a whole number mark here, so right at $8 is the bottom of this zone. So like that's where I would shoot for, nothing less. But price is gonna have to break this area too, so it's gonna have a tough time doing that. But it is pushing lower and lower. You can see like originally these wicks were pretty big, and now you got whole daily candles pushing this area down. So it is beating it down pretty good. And then yeah, we'll just watch for that. We'll make sure that price stays below all these moving averages. We'll see if price comes back up to this 1 hour moving average and retests it. Then that might signal a possible entry if you missed this entry up here in this area above 855 kind of thing. So yeah, that's kind of what we gotta wait for Cosmos. There's nothing too exciting here. I mean, everything still looks really good because even this candle, yes, price came down, with this candle, price came down, rejected this area again, and the next candle, which would have been Saturday, didn't engulf it or anything. So it was bullish. It was a pullback candle, but didn't do much. Didn't fill this entire, didn't engulf it. So that's the main thing. Now you can see today it's printing another bear candle. So far it's not much, but yeah, so that's good. I mean, the momentum is still there to the downside. Everything else looks good. We'll see if it comes back up to this area. Look for a short position. Look for an entry. This is a nice area of supply. Actually tighten this up a little bit just to capture this wick as well, something like that. So yeah, this is a nice area of supply to enter a position and then target this $8, but keep in mind it's gonna have to break this zone, but I do think it will, slowly but surely. So that is Adam.